The following how-to video applies to specific models and trim levels. Please take a moment to confirm this video applies to your Subaru. Programming the memory height of your power rear gate on your Subaru is a convenient feature if you park anywhere with low clearance or want to always keep the rear gate within reach. To set the memory height on your Subaru power rear gate, turn on the ignition. Press Settings on the touchscreen. Navigate to the Car tab. Scroll to Power Rear Gate and make sure memory height is turned off. Now, open the rear gate and pause it at your preferred height with any of the power rear gate buttons. You can make gentle manual adjustments to the gate position by hand. Keep in mind that adjusting the gate too quickly will cause the power rear gate to engage and completely open or close the gate. With the gate position at your preferred height, press and hold the power rear gate button located on the bottom of the rear gate until you hear 2 beeps. The power rear gate memory will be saved and automatically turned on in your touchscreen. Your rear gate memory height is now programmed. You can turn the memory height off, allowing the gate to open to full height anytime by turning off power rear gate memory in your touchscreen. Press Settings. Navigate to the Car tab. Scroll to Power Rear Gate. Turn off power rear gate memory. You can program the memory height by repeating these steps.